Hi guys and hello. Welcome back to the tutorial section of the El-Igo channels, and I'm George Omogbeme for the El-Igo channels. On today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to make a proper blood film. Alright? And to make a proper blood film, all you need is your glass slide, your spreader, and of course your blood sample, and plus or minus a capillary tube. Your glass slide should be clean and grease-free, and the edge of your spreader should be smooth. It is important to know that a properly made blood film should have a head and a smooth curved tail. Okay, after making your drops, you take your spreader, holding it against your glass slide. Alright, contact, spreads out and move. Alright, the same thing goes for this. Contact at appropriate angle and you move. Okay, so you can see our thin film, how it's looking. Very good, it's very thin, has a head and a tail. All right, let's see. All right, guys. So to make a proper blood film, three important factors are to be considered. One, the volume of the drop of blood to be used for the film. Okay, too much a drop of blood will make the blood film to be too thick and too long, and too little a drop of blood will make the film to be short. Okay, and two, the angle at which you hold your spreader against your glass slide. All right, you should hold your spreader at an angle of about 30 degrees against the glass slide. All right, and three, the edge of your spreader should be smooth. Okay, so when all these factors are in check, you should have a properly made blood film. And of course, as I said earlier, a properly made blood film should have a head and a smooth curved tail, and of course should occupy 2/3 of your glass slide. So practice, practice, practice. See you on the next one, guys. Godspeed.